Hello guys, this is AB from PeakJordan23.Xia and PeakJordan23.Net. If you guys are interested in those items, any question, please feel easy to contact us. Skype, Kick, Wechat, or WhatsApp PP. And you can search our website to place your order. Also, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will do more review here. So, today I want to show you guys the Air Force One, the new colorway. Okay, first you can check the side. The Nike logo here. Okay, turn to another side, and also comes with the extra lace rack and this part. Okay. Okay, now turn to the back. Yeah, check the back here. The Nike Air. Top box. Check the top box here. And the top shoes. You can check the daisy here, the little daisy, and the insole. And this pair is men's size 8. Okay, check the button. You can check the Nike here. And the Air, A-I-R, Air. And also comes the shoes box here. And the label. Okay, so if you guys are interested in those items, any question, please feel easy to contact us. Skype, Kick, Wechat, or WhatsApp PP. This is AB. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.